at the corner store, corner store. And it is wide and square with a door. I keep my food in the fridge. Bacon and eggs and baked beans, cheese and milk and lots of beer. There is a place just for butter and a compartment for vegetables. And it's mine. Yes, it's mine. I own this fridge. It's all mine.
My concern for the food in the fridge, constantly eaten away by strong appetites. The tears well up in my eyes. They are like the defrosting of the fridge.
Carrots and honey and more beer. Sausages, luncheon and jam. Leftovers, cold stew and fish. Banana fritters and mince. The fridge is mine.
It's all his.
Yes, it's mine.
Yes, it is.
I love my fridge. It's all mine.